So today we got the 1995 Chevy S10 and I will be changing the coolant temp sensor. Follow me. So originally, this is what I pulled out of it, right? My gauge inside the dash, it wasn't working. Like it would just stay like it's not hot, but it was hot. And so I tried to unplug this this sensor piece, and this whole thing came out. So this is probably why it wasn't working. But anyways, I went and bought a sensor on Amazon, and I found out that there's only 2 wires on it, when the original one has 3 wires. You see that? 3 wires. So in the end, I couldn't change it out. And now I'm going to show you guys how to change your coolant temp sensor. What you're going to need is a 3/4 deep socket, a lot of extensions, and a ratchet. Alright. So the coolant temp sensor is located right here. It's right here, this thing. So without removing the filter, we're just gonna reach in, put the socket on the sensor, or over it, and then we're gonna crack it loose. So when you remove it, there's going to be coolant coming out. Face this way. Let's pull this out. Oh, I dropped the sensor. Yeah, because you're aiming right there, right under here. Alright guys, here is the new sensor. It's a 3-prong, just like the one we're replacing. You can compare it. Looks the same. Alright. And of course, I accidentally cut the wires too close, so I'm going to have to strip these wires in order to make a new harness. I will leave the link to both of these in the, that's not that one, it's this one. I will leave the link to both of these inside of the description. Nice, it fits. Alright. So we're not going to plug it in yet. We got to fix the wires. I'm just going to strip these wires a little bit, and a little bit. Same thing with the new sensor. Alright, now we're going to match the colors, yellow to yellow. Alright guys, make sure your battery's unplugged while you're doing this. Green to green. And then brown to black. may or may not be correct. That's why we have our old sensor. So black, yellow, and then green at the bottom. Brown. This might be swapped. Yellow should be where the black is. Alright, that's why we compare, guys. So this and this should be swapped. This way, the same outlets are on the plugs. Cool. Alright, that's all good. We're just gonna electrical tape over this. Just like that. One more. And try to reuse the old wire cover. It's a little crispy. I'm just taping it, I'm screwing and plugging it. Now we're going to put our new sensor in. If you reach your hand under, you can go right to it. And then just start the threading.
done now?
Alright guys, that's how you change out your coolant temp sensor. Just make sure afterwards to bleed the coolant. So you're gonna have to jack the car up, make the front end higher, the highest point, and then you're gonna add coolant to this. Start it up with the radiator cap off. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment, or if it helped you, leave a comment. But I'll see you guys next time. God bless. Peace.